Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be covering May 2019 paper 2. You guys can check my other two video. There I already covered task A1, that one is graphics, and A2, that one is database questions. So today I will be covering task A3, which is website related questions. So for paper 2 it is quite important to read the scenario, because inside the scenario they are providing the number, website, email, or some of the styles like for the text style or document style that we need in future when we are solving some of the questions. We already need this during the time we were working on database, and also we need these things when we will be working with the website as well. And try to take pencil and mark each and everything whatever you complete, so it will be easier to record that okay, each of the things I already completed or covered, so there will be a less chance for mistakes then. Okay, for paper 2 we all know that we get a file. From there we'll get some of the file there, like database, graphics, web authoring, spreadsheet presentation. So for this one we are solving website question, so this one is based on web authoring. So go to the question. So we will solve this one, task A3. So what it says that open a new word processing document, enter your name, candidate number, and center number in the header, save the document as task A3. So what we'll do, we'll create a document first. Open a Microsoft Word. Use the blank one. So first we will choose the header. The header is, go to the insert and click on header. Take this one, the first one, it will be easier. Put the task name A3, then your name, then candidate number, this is actually for demo purpose, and put the center. Okay, so this part is done, and now we have to save these things. So I already said this one in my previous video, which is in database, that try to save file in the folder that you created. So I already create a folder which is section A. I will click on that one, and here I will write task A3, and the type will be Word document, and save it here. Okay, this one saved. So for security purpose, like some of my student, it is like they work one of the documentation, they save that onto the other folder, and they are thinking that they are working on that one, but when they are completing the work and after that they open that folder file, they find out that they are working on some other file, and it will be quite harder for them to find out where that is. So it will be better at the time when we start, we go to the Microsoft Word, we put the name, header, and all these things, then we save that file inside the folder that we have to create at the first of our exam. So, and put the name as task A3, and go to that folder, and then again open that Microsoft Word from there. Okay, so that one is done. Then we move to the question. So we already created our documents, enter name, done, and save the document as task A3. All is done. So you can put in, this one is done, this one done, and also this one done. Okay, so you guys can use pencil for that. It will be easier to understand that whatever it is done. Okay, then we will move to the second one. That one is Shimon wants you to create two pages for his website. Content for the website is stored in web page. He wants you to create two link pages. That means two pages will be connected with each other. One of the page name will be home, another one will be courses. Okay, both web pages must be saved as .html. Okay, so for this one, when we are doing the Word, we save this document as doc, because if you go to the section folder, you can see this one is Microsoft Word document. Okay, for the document is a documents, but when you are doing the HTML or internet web type of things, that one will load on your browser. That type of file we save it .html. I hope you understand. This one we have to now work on this, and we have to create the home page based on this design. So based on this design, we have to design one of the home page, and here we have to follow some of the color. Background color should be dark sea green. Text color for introductory text is midnight blue, and then company name, page title, and all those things. So what we will do, just open our Kompozer file. For this one, we can choose Kompozer and as well as HTML also. But if you guys ask me which one will be better, Kompozer is the easier one. But for me, I think HTML is the better one, because when you guys like go to the A levels and you guys want to take IT, there you have to learn HTML, CSS, and all these things. So it will be better if you learn it from ICT. Okay, so open the Kompozer. So this is the Kompozer. Maybe in future I will create a video about how to use the Kompozer and all these things. So what we will do, we first create a table. We will first create the header. So here I can put CS bar, similar like that. But the thing is that we have to add the logo as well. We already add the logo before. We have. So from here, I will go to my folder that they are provided us from the exam. So this is the images, they are all given to us, but I already created a logo during the section A question. Then make it smaller. And what will be the name of the website? They are saying that company name in banner, logo and company name, right? So we have to again go to the scenario and get what will be the company name. This one is CS Scuba. So it will be better compared to write the whole thing. We can use this one, the shorter one. How it looks like. This one is CS Scuba. So we will add this one as a CS Scuba. Okay. Then they are saying that we move to task A3. This, and there will be a page title. Okay, so page title we can use because this one is a home page, so on that thing we can use that as a home. After that we have to align all this thing to the center, so mark out all the thing and then click on the center, so it came to center part. Try to make this a bit bigger. This one is okay. Click on there is two letter option. One is the larger and the smaller. So this one make your word smaller. This one will make it bigger. Click on the home page and make it like that. Okay, done. So after that, what it said, page title done, this one done, link to other pages. Okay, so there will be a link option. So for this one, the other pages is course pages, right? So that one, what I'll do, I just put a link to we don't need to provide the name related link, we can just course page or something like that. So that this one will be a little bit, blue color, so which can give us the idea that this is actually a link. So you will work on this at the last part of the video. Then go to your section. So that means this done, this done, this two done, this one done, this one done, right? This one done, this one also done. Now we'll move to the image portion. We will add two images and there will be an introductory text on the right side. We all know that they are providing us one of the folder. I'll just show you the folder. So this is the folder they are giving us. This is the folder. When I go to the data file, there is some images are there inside that folder, so we can use any of the image from here. So I'll go here and then I want to insert the image, insert and then click on the image portion. From here you can choose the image, data files, images. So I can choose like this one, open. We don't need alternate text. What is the meaning of alternate text? Alternate text is the name of the image actually. So this one is mostly used for blind people, or maybe if there is any issue with the internet, they can't load the certain image, then the name of the image is written over the internet or over the web page. So it will be easier for the user. If they can't able to see it, they can know or they can see what is the name of the images. It can help them to understand what will be the image, something like that. So we don't need alternate text, just use it, don't use alternate text, something like that, and click on OK. So it's already done. For this portion actually I don't need to align center, just put it like this one, align left. And then also we need to add the other image. Two images will be there. Click on the image and then take, maybe you can take this. Do not need alternate text. Okay. So for the image, try to move your cursor at down so it will not overlap the other one, and then click on insert image. Okay, and then choose your images from here. I want to take this one. Don't use alternate text. Okay, so text is done. Now if I move to my question, they said both are 250 pixel into 250 pixel. So that means there will be two images is done, but we have to set the dimension 250 into 250. So open, click on the images, double click, and this one will come. Go to the dimension, and from here custom size, remove this constraint. It will actually doing some issue with the width and all. So put some 250 here, also 250. okay, and then click on OK. Same goes to this one. Double click on the images, go to the dimension, click on the custom size, remove this constraint and put it to 50. This one also 250 and OK. So we will get the two images here. But now the issue is sometimes whatever we see on our tools like we are using for the CSS and all these things, we are getting a different view on the browser. So that's why we have to save this file into our folder so that we can load that file and see it on the browser how it looks like. So what we'll do, click on the file option first, click on the save. So it will, so okay, don't click on the save, then click on the file and then click on save as. Okay, save as, enter a title for the current business. Okay, so for the title we can use home page, maybe just home is okay. So then we will choose our folder. We create a folder which is section A, right? From here we will create the file name is home. Save as type is HTML file. It must be HTML files. Okay, then save. So now I will check that is it save or not. I will go to my section A and then I can see, okay, there is one of the file that is save as home, right? Click on this and then you can see this is the browser view. Okay, so this part is center aligned, home is center, these two are left. Okay, so that means this is matches with our question, right? This is the center page title, both are images, they are linked to other pages I'm working, I'm not still working. So these two are already done. That means these are done, these are done. Now we'll work on the introductory text. So what we'll do, go here. Oh, okay, for the introductory text, where we'll get the text then? They're saying that to appropriate image from the image folder and position them as shown in the design. One of the image must link to this. Okay, there is one thing we have to add. One of the image will be this. Appropriate content from the web page document. Email, there will be okay, understand. Page title will be courses. This one is for another pages, but we will get the introductory text from our folder. This one, content for the website is stored in web page. Okay, so for this one, for the introductory text, so they mention that this include appropriate content from the web page document. So we have to open the web page document. So what we will do, minimize all these things, go to the folder that the examination provide us. So we'll go to ICT and the database, and from here data files, non-office. Okay, because this is the content. So from there, this is the web page. So click on the web page and here you can see this is the introductory text. This one for courses. So this is the introductory text. So copy everything. Okay, so copy the introductory text and then open your Kompozer file and put it here. Click Control V. Okay, so after that we have to move this text to the right side and the image will be on the left side. But the thing is that with this image we can't able to do that. Just do a demo. If I put it like this, it will be similar like that. So it's quite harder, but it's still somehow, see it's just messed up everything. So what we will do, double click on the images, go to your appearance and then align text to image, select wrap to the left and click on OK. This one also, oh sorry, not, yeah, wrap to the left. This one also the same. Okay, So sorry, these two will be wrapped to the right actually. So again click on this and then wrap to the right. Okay, this one also wrap to the right. Okay, so now we somehow able to fix these things, but still we are facing some issue regarding that. So what we will do, there is no space and it won't look good, because when we go to our question we can see that there is some space right here and here. So what we will do, go to the Kompozer. So there is no gap, and this side also no gap. So what we will do, click on this, double click, again go to the appearance, so left and right. So what we'll do, left and right we can use 10. Okay, so it will create a distance left and right. For this one we can also create left and right 10. Put the 10 here as well. Okay, so these two are now matched with each other, and click on this save button. After that, go to your file where you are saving everything. So our folder is section A, and this is the home HTML. Click on this one, open this and see the image are not fully aligned. So what do we have to do? We have to just shift this image a little bit down. Go to your tool, click on enter 2 times, and then again save the click button. Go to your Internet Explorer browser and this refresh button. Now both images are aligned with each other, right? Okay, so this part also done. So we manage the text to the left, the image to the left, text to the right side. Everything is okay. Now move to the question. So we completed the introductory text work as well. So this one also done. Now what we'll do, we'll move to this email address and telephone number we have to use. So for the email address and telephone number, what you have to do, that one will be on the footer. That means go to your Kompozer again, and then we have to move the cursor. Where is our cursor? Oh, this one is our browser where we can see what it will look like when we complete our code and submit to the website. Okay, so put the cursor down, but it will create some issue. Drag it and then go to down. Okay, here. So here we have to add email and phone number. So for the email and phone number, did they say anything? One image must link with this. Okay, we'll look on that later. No, they didn't even say anything about the email. So what the thing is that, include the email address and telephone number for Celtic Springs Scuba. This one they mentioned already here. So I just put this. That means we will follow these things. So go to the scenario page again and see what's the, this is the email, this is the telephone number. So try to, I can copy this one, 01632. So here you can put telephone 01642 and then 01642 444 675. Okay. Okay, this one is the telephone and there is one email. Email, they mentioned that we have to use the email that they are provided. So they are provided this email, shimon@csbb.net. shimon@csscuba.net. Okay. Cuba.net. And everything is center aligned. So click on that and then this one, choose this one, center align. Then click on the save and open your browser. Click on the, okay, so now email is here, right? So what the question is now, we again go to our question. Task A3. We added the telephone as well. This one also done. Now we'll move to this. They are saying that use the color. Use the following color scheme. So background color will be dark sea green. Text color for introductory text is midnight blue. That means not for the whole text. The color for midnight blue is only for this area. Okay, so if you guys do it for everything, then you will lose the mark. So okay, first we make this color as a background color. So for that one, click on the format and then go to page color and background. So from here, choose the custom color and then there is one of the thing, that one is a background. So click on the background and put that color here. So this one is actually hex color. I can't. So this one basically hash 8FBCF Okay, just follow the color here then. (8FB C8F) 8FB C8F. Okay, and then click on the okay. So it takes that whole thing. Again, click on the save and go to your website and see it's working, right? Now what we will do, this one is done. We will again go to this one. They are saying that text for the introductory text, or the text color for the introductory text is midnight blue. Okay, for the text color, what we will do, just click on all these things and go to the format option. Here you get the text color. Okay, from here you just put the name of the color that you got. So that one will be hash 1970. Okay, and then 19170. Okay, and then this is the color that we get already. And then go back to the question. So this one is done. This one also done. Now we will check this one. They said use this HTML element. Company name will be on H1 header. Page title is this. Okay, so we just work on the company header then. Click on the company header and then from here choose heading 1. Let's look a bit, it's just a bit, but it's okay because they are saying to make it header 1. Okay, so we make it to header 1 from here, heading 1, and then just try to make the logo a little bit bigger. Okay, and then click on the save button, go to your browser and refresh the browser. You can see the CSE score, but the logo is a bit bigger. So what we'll do, just try to make it smaller. And again save, go to your browser and refresh. Need to make it a little bit slow. Save and then browse, refresh. I think a little bit smaller will be a better. Okay, so this is the technique. We always need to check in our browser. Everything is working to the way the question they're giving us. Same format. Okay. If I notice that the image is now, there's no gap inside the two image vertically. So what we will do, put some space again and then save. Yeah, now it's okay. Now move to the next question. So this one done. Page title is 18 bold and italic. Okay, what is the page title? Is a home. Click on this, that one will be, now click on bold and italic. Now they're saying that this one will be 18, but there is no option, like we can just increase and decrease, similar like that. So what we will do, double click on this. Yeah, so for this one we need to write a little bit of code, which is click on this and go to the split section where you can get the code. So double click on it, so and then search that. Okay, this is the home page, so this is the code for this one. So what we will do, we put the style here for the font size, because they are saying that it will be 18. So for here just write font size this and then put 18 pixel, and after that make it like that. So this one is now 18 pixel, the font size. So go to the design view. After that it's done, click on the save and go to your browser. From here you can also check the the font size of this is 18 or not. Right click and go to the inspect option. So from here click on this, you can see font size is 18. They are taking font size 18. If you make it out, it is a little bit bigger. Okay, so that means we are getting the font size 18 here. That means it's done. So we already put that one, bold italic done, and then we also use 18. Here it also said that the page will be 18 pixel, size is 18, and bold is using EM and italic is I. So the thing is that if we know HTML and CSS, it will be easier to put that tag, but inside Kompozer it's quite tough to put it EM and I, because when I try to put the EM and I here tag as a tag, it removed this style part, span part, and then put this one, the other things. Then it cannot take the EM and italic here as a code. So that can be the reason the Kompozer is sometimes creating issues, by the way, but it is still okay. Somehow we can put the italic and bold in this way. Then we move to the next question, which is this one done. Introductory text will be paragraph. That means we must be assured that our introductory text is in paragraph phase. So what we will do, go here and then again click on this. You can see once upon a time, first click on this one. This one is in span, right? But we don't need a span. We have to put it as a paragraph. That means the tag name for paragraph is P. So just put it here and then P. Or maybe I think we can also change it from here. Don't need to go to the code, just go to the design view, click the whole thing, not the image, whole thing here, and click on here. So it will be paragraph. Now go to the split section. Yeah, it's P. So it's working. That means save, go to your browser, refresh. From browser you guys can also inspect these things. Is it P? Yes. This one also P. So it's okay. We use the tag name. This one also done. Include two appropriate image, position them. Okay, we already add the images. This one we already did it. And position them as shown in the design. Yeah, this one also we position the same way the design show us. One of the image must link to this. So we have to use css_scuba.net as a link. So I think I can take this image. Click on go to your Kompozer and click go to the design view and click this one 2 times, so it come like this, and here click on the link. Okay, for the image link we will double click on this, and then the link will come from here. We will tick this one, the above is an email address. And what is the email address? www.csscuba.net. always check whatever you see, csscuba.net. okay, so there will be another is csscuba.net is there, and then click on the OK. So how to check? Again, go to the split and double click on your images and see. It can be the link is okay. Save these things, but is it visible from here? No. So after we save it, go to your browse section and reload your page. So after reload your page, click on this tag and point out this one. Here you can see a mail to is added, email link. That means our mail link is working. So if I click on this, inside my windows it's asked me this permission. Okay, so it's done. That means our email address is done. No, sorry, this one is done, not this one. This one is done. Now we move to this. So what it said, the contact details are in the scenario, make the email address as email link. That means we have one of this one. So this one we also have to link. Okay, for this one, click on this and then go to insert, go to the link, and here put this one here as well. So this one is Shimon at the .net. They are saying make the email address as email link. Okay, so for this one we have to, sorry, I did one mistake. That one is for this part, csscuba.net. This one is not an email actually. This one is a link. So what we have to do, go to your editor, and from here we already use this image, right? Double click on, go to that link, and then just untick this one. The above is an email address. This one is not an email address. This one is only a URL. So this, and then click on OK. So how to check this one? Click on the save and then go to your browser, refresh your browser, and here we can see this link is here, right? Now it just take me to the other pages and there is no mail to. That means this is the link. Now we will do the same mail to thing for this one. So how to do this? Go to your Kompozer, click on these things and then go to the insert link. From here try to just write Simon at csscuba.net. The above is an email address, and then click on the OK button. Save these things, go to your browser, refresh this, point out the email address. See, this one is now, the mail to is here, and this is blue color. When I click on this, it just opened my mailboxes, so it's working. This one done. Now this one also done, this one done. Now we move to the thing that save the home page as index. Okay, take a screenshot of your home page in a browser, paste the screenshot in document task A3. So what you have to do, save the home page as index. So we have to save this as index. So how to do this, because you already save it as home, right? Go to the file section, click on save as, and where we'll go to the section A, go to the desktop, because inside desktop A I put the section A. Okay, this is my home, but what we'll do, just change this to INDEX, index. Okay, and then save this. After that, see, home is different, index is different, but again you go to your browser, close this one, and click on the index part. So everything is okay inside index, right? But we're still getting the name as home, but it should be index. What we'll do, click here, okay, to change this home to index, what we'll do, go to the format and then page title and properties. From here, change this to index and then click on OK. So it changed, right? Then save these things, go to your browser, click, it changes. So it's okay, it's working. And what we'll do, we already have index, so we don't need home. So try to delete it, and again click and check everything is working fine or not. Yes, everything is working perfectly. Okay, now we have to take a screenshot. So what we'll do, for Windows we have a snipper tool. By using that one you guys can take the screenshot, but this one is some external tools that I'm using as a screenshot so that I can show you everything. Okay, so this one I already take the picture. And where to save, I want to save this to desktop so you guys can understand. So always try to save all the screenshot to desktop, so it will be easier to locate where the file is. Choose desktop, then save. So what is the question? The question, okay, so the question is, save the index, done. Take a screenshot, I already take the screenshot, but paste the in task AC, resave. Acha, so we open your Word documents, and here go to the insert and then choose the image. Where is the image? Pictures. My picture is on this insert. So this is my web page view. Okay, so that means this one also done. Paste the screenshot, resave task A3. So we have to save this. Click on the save button. This one done. Do not print at this stage. Okay, so you have to move to the make a copy of the home page file and rename it as courses. Open the courses file to make these changes. So for this one, what we'll do, just close this one. It will be easier to understand. Close the browser one as well. Click this one, right click on this one, and then copy. After that, paste it here. So this one is index copy, right? Now click on this and try to rename. Rename using courses, COURSES. So now what happened? Go to your courses file and see, is it everything is same like index? Yeah, same. And open your Kompozer. From Kompozer, open file. Just click on open file and click this one. So this one is opening, and this one is again showing that as index. So how to change this? Go to the format, page title, and change this to COURSES, right? Should be courses. Always try to check the spelling with the question paper, because we don't know what can rename it as courses. That means it's a capital letter, so it will be better if we put it as a capital letter. Courses. Okay, so our courses is done. We can do save these things. Go to your browser, because we load our courses.html. Check this one, and now this one is done. So this one is a capital letter. Our index is also capital letter. So this is the thing we have to do. Just cross this one from here. Again, open your index.css file. Here our index is smaller because I don't want to lose any mark for anything. So try to follow everything that our question paper is asking. So write it index and then save. It's now. Go to your file, actually save this first, and then go your file, index, open it. Is it okay? Yeah, everything is okay. Now we are working on courses. So open the courses browser file and then go to your Kompozer. I don't need index. Open, click on the open, and then I need courses folder, right? Okay, so courses folder is done. So what will be my question after that is they are asking page title will be courses, include a table using information from web page. Okay, so the thing is that it will change the page title to courses. That means here instead of home it will be courses. So we go to the Kompozer, courses, and there will be no, these things will not be there. Include a table using information from web page. Okay, so we have to include a table here. So here we have to include a table using the information. So what we have this is the courses table. So what we will do, go to your edit section and remove everything. Point out each thing and delete. 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 So for the connection here, we also have to add the home page link, something like that. Home page, or you can say link to home page. Link to home page, and here we will add the, just save and see how it looks on the browser. Is it everything remove? Okay, link to home page, everything is okay. Now we will move to this page and then insert, click on the table. So how many things we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 5. This part we need. Done. Then we have to copy this. Try to copy this using Ctrl+C. Okay. Now it is quite bigger, but just try to number of because we can't take the whole. What we'll do, like this, copy this one first. Number of classes, sessions. Okay, now number of pool. Sessions. Now number of dives. Okay, the last one is depth, and then we will fill out all the things. And try to add all the 2, 2, 4, and the depth is 18 for this one. Two 0 530. One 0 4, and there is nothing, only a dash. Then 1 0 4. This one is 40. 1 1 2. This one is dash. Okay, so we completed the table. Try to make this as bold, but it's not necessary. Just it's a normal thing. When we see any table, the header is a bit bolder, so that's the reason I make it a bold. But if you guys don't make it bold, you won't lose any mark. Okay, so bold done. We made the table. Change the course title to courses, include a table. Then they're saying that save the course pages as courses. This one done. Resave the home page as index. This one also done. Take a screenshot of your course page in a browser. Paste it, that screenshot, in documents A3. Okay, so save this, whatever you did, and then here reload these things. This is your pages. Here so many gap, right? Just remove this gap. Save again. Go to your browser. Everything is okay. This one is a course page, course. Okay, link to home page. So for that one, we have to work on the link as well now. So we have to connect this with the this one is course page, so we have to connect with the index page, right? Click on this and open. This is connected. Click on OK. Then save these things. Go to your browser, refresh. This one is home page actually, so we open our courses page and then click on home page. Yes, it's coming. Okay, here we did another mistake. That one is close this one and go to your index page. So how to do this? Go to the Kompozer, open a new file inside the Kompozer. And then open a new file. Remember about the new file, which is index. Open these things and here we didn't put the link, so what we have to link it here. So here we'll put linked to courses. Just link to courses. Save this and see how it looks like on the browser. Index page, links to courses, okay, it's perfect. The alignment, everything is okay. Go to your index page, go to your Kompozer and mark this one. Go to insert link, and from the link choose the courses file will be linkable with this, and click on the OK button. Save these things. Go to your browser, refresh and see, is it, yeah, it's working, right? This one is courses, this one is home. So the thing is that we have to take the screenshot of these things, because the previous screenshot we didn't did the link for courses. So we take again a screenshot, but I think you guys know how to save and all these things. So for my one, I just do a easy one. Go to the file, click on this and then delete button. If these things I did so that you guys know if you did any mistakes in your examination and how you can remove the images from your Microsoft Word. So what do you have to do? Click on the image and press delete button on your keyboard. It's done. Now I just paste whatever I take. Okay, this one is done. So it's a movable one. So go to the question now, what it said. So inside the question, yes, so for this one, we already have the courses page now. Resave the home page as index. This one also done. This one also done. Take a screenshot of your courses page and then, okay, so you have to take the screenshot of our course page. Go to your, from your, yeah, so now I just go to link, yes, working. Go to your back button. So from here I'll just take the screenshot. For the whole page, and then I will just paste it in my Microsoft Word. I'm not giving you the full process how I did it, because I think that you guys know. For this one, when you choose this click, also take this one, fix position on page, so it will not move with the cursor. And then this is the course pages. Click on these fixed on page position. So these two done. This one we done. Take a screenshot of your courses page. This one done. Paste the screenshot in document task A3 done. Display the HTML code for the home page. So we have to display the HTML code for the home page and copy and paste the HTML code. Task A3, this one we have to do. How to do these things? So this is our HTML, right? Home page, index page. Click on this source. So this is the all our HTML code. So click, try to copy. You can just click and then drag. That one also okay, but the easier one is click on Control. First click on this page and then Control A, it will click all the thing, and then Control C, it will copy everything here, okay? And then you can go to your Word documents, take a new sheet, and then paste every of your code here. So this is my all code. Here is my all code. Try, if you guys want, you can just make it a little bit eight. It's okay, I think. Yes. So here you can just write code for home page and click the whole things and try to make it bold. Okay, so done. Now we move to the question. Okay, so here we already display the code for the HTML code for the home page. Copy and paste the HTML code in document. Okay, we have to save. So each and everything we have to save. Otherwise, somehow if we don't save anything, we'll lose mark, because most of the students did this type of mistake. They did everything, but they don't save, and then they don't get the mark. This done, this done. Move to task A3B, which is open a new Word documents. Now they're asking, open a new Word document, processing document, enter your name, candidate number in the header, save the document as task A3B. So what we did for this one? This one, save the task as A3. So this one all are done. That means now we move to another. That one will be task A3B. So I just close these things. For further surety and all these things, what you will do, open your task A3 again and check each and everything is perfectly there or not. Yeah, everything is there, so no issue. Now close. Now again create a Word documents. Use the blank page. They are saying that enter your name, header, task A3B. So go to your insert, header, choose this one. So put your, this one is task. No, what they're saying inside the question. Enter your name, candidate number. Okay, so name, candidate number and center number will be on the header. So what we'll do, my name, put your candidate number. I didn't put anything, just you guys can, I think you will understand what we have to do, like the one we did before. Okay, something like that. And then just save these things. Where will save? Save as. Choose this PC and go to the desktop. Which folder I create? I create section A. So section A, this one will be, again check inside your task A3B. The name of this document is this. So for this one, task task A3B, and then save. Okay, it's saved, done. So now close this one. Go to your section. Here I save the file, right? So click on here, and then if I go here, I can see that I already, these things done. These things also done, this one also done. Now what we have to do, Shimon wants you to make these changes to the HTML code. So now they want to change something. text color for introductory text will be this. Page title will be underlined. So these things we have to do. Display the HTML code for the home page. Copy and paste the HTML code in documentation. This. Highlight the code to show where the changes were made, and resave the task A3. So this one is like a bit tougher. We have to display the code for the HTML, and then copy and paste HTML code in task A3. After that, we have to highlight where we make the changes. So home page, right? That means we go to our Kompozer, then go to the design view. This is our home page. Now we have to change. We have to page color to black, and page title introductory will be the black, page title will be underlined. So what is the page title? This is the page title. So if I go here, this is the page title. Mark and then underline this one. Okay, after that they are saying that this one will be black color. Format, text color, just click, put 60. Okay, so this one is now black. Everything is done. Now we have to again go to try to save everything. Open your browser and check, this one is course page, so go to the home page and then check, is it okay? Yeah, underline, and this one also black. So for this one, go to your again your source page, and then if you look closely, the name of the title was what? If I go to the design view, it's a home. So go to your source page and try to find where is the home page. So this one, where is the home? This one is the home, right? Yeah, so now we put the underline here. This is one of the changes, and other changes is we put this one, text color to black. So what we'll do for this part, we take again Control A, Control C, go to your documentation and Control V. So from here, what we did, where the changes we make the changes on. If you guys don't find where it is, just press Control F and then click HOME, home, because home is our title, so it will highlight like this. So this is the underline decoration that we did. For this one, what we'll do, we will add some shape like this one, and then click like this. This is the changes we did. And for the shape fill, for this one, no fill. Okay, and the underline, put it a red mark. This one we change. Copy this thing, Control C, and whatever the other thing we change the color, text color to PPP, right? Sorry, 000. So this one, color black. So this is the changes we did. I saved this. Here also you click on the save button. Now it's saved. Go to your question. So from here we already display the code for the HTML for the home page. Copy and paste the HTML code. Highlight the code to show where the changes were made. Okay, done. Resave, done. Do not print at this stage. Answer this question in the document task A3B. State and justify one improvement you would make to your website. Okay, so what will be the improvement that we want to make in our website? So this one is task A3B. So from here, go to down, right, like task A3, is it a A3B, sorry, A3C, A3C, right, A3. So what will be the thing? The first thing I already mentioned about during the time we put the image inside our code, that one we mentioned that we don't want to use the alt text, because why? Alt text is one of the thing that mostly use when we can't able to load the image. It shows us the image name, so it will be easier for the user to understand what will be the or what can be the image here. Or if a blind people are go through the web pages, it will be easier for the web page to read each and everything, including the images as well, if we put the alternate name. So what will be the answer? I would use alt text to the image and because this one is 2 marks, we have to add another mark as well, and make the background white. Make the background white so that more visible to read. Okay, so I think we completed everything. Click on the save, close these things. Sorry, I have some issue with the internet, so we can go to and recheck everything. Like we have this is the last thing. Click on the documents again and see is everything is there or not. Yeah, underline, yes, everything is there. Go to your these two file as well and check is everything task A3 all will be perfectly there or not. And the last thing is go through this one, all are done, right? Still go through each and every question again and find out that okay, we did this, okay, yeah. So as a revision, just go through the question again and check if you can, like if you don't miss anything or something like that. So yes, this is the end of this tutorial. We completed the website design for task A3. Hopefully I will try to do this question in HTML as well, so it will be easier for you to know how the HTML is working. And if you guys want to take IT in A level, obviously it will be quite easier for you. So thank you for the listening, and please subscribe and likes my channel so that in future when I will upload some other question, you guys can easily get the notification. Besides that is also, motivate me to create something for you guys. Okay, thank you, bye bye.